Hey everyone, in today's video we're talking about Pocketbase, a fast, free and open source backend you can use to power your apps. Whether you're building a side project, mobile app or a full stack platform, Pocketbase promises a lot in a small package. So now let's go ahead and break down what it is, how it works and whether it's worth using. So what is Pocketbase? So like I said before, it's all in one backend you can run with just a single executable file. It gives you things like a real-time database, user authentication, file storage, a built-in admin dashboard, and even simple REST and real-time API. All without writing backend code from scratch. It's like Firebase but self-hosted, lightweight, and fully under your control. Okay, so now let's talk about the pros of Pocketbase. So it's free and open source, so no pricing limits or hidden fees. It is super lightweight, runs locally with just one file. It's got a built-in dashboard, so manage users' data and files visually. Real-time updates, perfect for chat apps or live data. There is also no database setup needed, so it uses SQLite automatically. This is great for prototypes, MVPs, and indie apps. You could spin up a backend in minutes, seriously. Now, there are some cons of Pocketbase, so it is still under development, so not ideal for a big complex production apps. No built-in role-based access control, RBAC yet. SQLite has limitations with scaling and concurrency. It is self-hosting, means you're in charge of uptime and backups, and there is no official mobile SDKs yet, but REST APIs work fine. Alright, so final verdict. Is Pocketbase worth it? Yes, if you're building a side project, MVP, or just need a fast backend for a web or mobile app. Maybe not if you're building a large scale project that needs a complex backend with heavy traffic and scaling. So basically, Pocketbase gives you backend power without the backend headache. And for small to medium apps, it's a dream tool for developers.